Okay, I just wanted to take Are you singing to the baby, Mary?
Yep. So that she can fall asleep.
Well, sing again. Sing her another song.
I'm sure she'll learn that song right away.
He's and then what's your finger? Okay.
He said, I think he said, hee-haw.
You think she said hee-haw? You think she knows what a donkey makes already?
Hee-haw. Hee-haw.
That's the first thing you're going to teach that baby is how to say hee-haw. She's just got a blanket.
I like a move from the baby. Oh my God. And a flower. Right.
What are you singing?
I know.
What do you have, Ellie?
I teach her how to say
You're going to teach her